new day, new race, Saturday. So this is the PG Run Club Springburst race. The 10K out here. I wasn't gonna run this race, but it's a run club, so I was like, yeah, let me just book my spot in it to run it. All right, so got my bib, 1225. I might do this every time on these videos, so I can throw these bibs away. I normally throw them away anyway, but yeah, this will just be a way to remember whatever number I had. All right, so I'm getting ready to put these bib boards on and yeah, just get ready to do this. Let me show you the shirt. Let's see. So this is the Springburst shirt for this year. So I think the first year was pink. Last year was like a lime green color, and this year is blue. So you know, people really like their shirt or whatever. But yeah, that's what I have. Yeah, this is Glendale. So yeah, it's a pretty flat course for the most part until it's like an uphill section as you get, I want to say like 2 miles in or something like that. But other than that, it's not bad.
Nothing hard.
One more time. He was very much of that most
time. Right foot. Cha-cha-cha. Left foot. Cha-cha-cha.
Take it back, cha-cha. Two up, two up.
Hop.
Two up, two up.
Two hop.
Right foot.
Alright, so this is an old familiar start from the last 2 years. Just pretty much straight away. Starting out, then you go under a tunnel and just keep along this Baltimore or Annapolis Trail, which is that way. And yeah, over and back.
Okay. Yes, and chase them down.
Third year in a row, let's get this out of the way. All right, we cleared 1 mile now. 5.2 to go. 8:48 after first mile. I'm actually going a little bit too fast. Should be at like 9:15, somewhere around that. But I'm feeling all right. But I'll probably slow it down soon. But yeah, everything is clear on the course. It's more bikers this year than normal. Or maybe I just missed them on the other 2 years of running it. But yeah, let's keep on going. All right, so it's a little warmer today than the previous run, so.
You got it.
Hey.
You got it.
All right, so I'm pretty much in my 10-minute pace right now. I needed that water stop. Well, the Gatorade stop, so even better. But yeah, climbing over the bridges and getting closer to the turnaround, and probably another 1.5 miles, I think. Yeah, it's a pretty good run so far. All right, 18:49 after 2 miles. So, yeah, I'm going really good. And yeah, I'm feeling fine. But yeah, it's gonna take me a minute to climb past because we don't have that many people here. But yeah, when we get to the turnaround, I'll see how I feel on the second half. Because I've been crashing after the second half of this race the last 2 years. Last year I just felt terrible from beginning to end. So I'm just glad I don't feel that way today. All right, there go the leader of the race. Keep killing it, man. And second place is coming up. I can't see third place, but yeah, they're moving. I ain't never been that good. But it's nice to see somebody else do it. Yeah. All right, we're 3 miles in. We're climbing the bridge because turnaround is up here. So yeah, we're getting there on the second half of the race. This bridge is where I crashed last year. It's very shaky for this bridge. But up and over and then back again. But I'm way ahead this year compared to the first 2 years of me running this race. So I'm gonna shatter my time from 2024. All right, let's do that stupid move I see on the UK.
Thank you.
All right, let's keep on going around. All right, we're 4 miles down, 2.2 to go, and we're getting it done. We're killing this. So 39 minutes, 8 seconds after 4. So yeah, we're gonna get this done. Almost coming up on that Gatorade stop. I'm gonna take a drink and keep on going from there. I'm definitely gonna beat this time on 1:11 a day. All right.
Great, sir. Almost there.
Get it, bro. Hey! Hey!
All right, we have to 5 miles, 50 minutes, 21 seconds. I don't know, I'm going pretty good. I guess Runkeeper is a little bit ahead of the 5 mile marker. But I definitely feel like I ran 5 miles. This is a gradual hill going up, getting back to the finish line. I guess I never noticed this, but yeah, it's a little bit of a challenge, like going up, but I'm getting there. I'm glad I took 3 drinks at the hydration station because I needed every last one of them. But yeah, 1.2 to go. I'm gonna get there. All right, 6 miles down. This uphill part to finish this race took me out. So it's definitely my slowest mile. 1 hour, 2 minutes in, I got 0.2 to go. Let me see if I can finish strong. Get this over with. Go collect my medal that I earned.
Looking good, guys! All the way to the arch!
Yeah,
date? You had some good friends or your girlfriend? I hope you enjoyed the course 1225. Congratulations.
It's over with.
Way to go.
Get your medal there. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm making my way.
All right. This is what we run for.
Good job, man.
Medal. Made it to the finish line. I think this looks good on me. What'd you think? So I guess I missed this on the way running. Yeah, they're out here giving us some music while we make it to the finish line. That's pretty cool. I can't hear the song just without these headphones on, but. All right. So, PG Run Club. Got my medal. It's right here. That was a good race. I ain't got nothing negative to say about this course. It goes uphill as you finish. But yeah, if you're strong enough, you'll get through. I enjoyed this run because it's just pretty much just straight. So I could do this over and over again. I don't know why I don't train and run this course. It's like home field advantage for me. But I think I finished in like an hour and 4 minutes and some change. So I shattered my time for the previous 2 years. Yeah, I feel pretty good. So yeah, I'm proud of this one. Just add another one to the collection. We got one more tomorrow, and Alexandria half is after that. So be 5 medals in 1 month. So yeah, I'm collecting them. Yeah, so I forgot to stop Runkeeper. Yeah, there I go. I got 50 of. Yeah, it's an hour, 4 minutes, 14 seconds, or an hour, 4 minutes, 9 seconds, something like that. I guess that's the tip time. So yeah, definitely be 1:11. I know I would though.
New Balance.
Oh, you want to put it on her forehead.
I need to figure out, get that situation. Because I
She is
think there's
too
better.
cute. How old is
There
she?
are.
Two. She just turned 2 like a month.
Okay, so let me tell you a secret about Hoka. Hokas are great, but they have spent millions of dollars.
You got this in extra large?
Let's see, what is this
So
one?
for some people, Hokas are great. Some people might need the New Balance. Some people might need the Brooks. So
This is a
it's all
large
about
right
what's going
here.
on
This
in
one
your
is a
foot.
large.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
too fat
But
for
we
that.
have it in the store
Nikes
extra.
run
Let
narrow.
me see what
So
this
if you have a
one is.
wide
That's
foot,
2X.
I
This
would
is a
never
2X.
put you
So
in a
yeah,
Nike.
we have it in the
Ultras
store
run
in
wide.
an extra
So you have a
large.
narrow foot, I'd never put you in.
I gotta remember that y'all out there because I don't ever come to high as well to work.
Yeah, you gotta come and check us out.
And we have people like Jackie who
Yeah, I
are
don't ever